Hello, this is Ayman. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I came across this in the forums. Uh, Basically, this person, Megaloman, is having problems with the spellbook for the wizard. I've seen a few posts where people seem to be misunderstanding how to do the wizard spellbook on D&D Beyond characters. So I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to create a new character very quickly so you can see from scratch. Just get to add a 6 spells when they first create a hyper. When they first start. So I'll show 3 of how to do it in here. Probably should have done this before I started recording, but well. Doesn't matter. Just we get that to 16, and then we can just go straight to. Right. I messed up. So there's 2 places you can do spellbook. There you can click here to go into the and under spells you have the 3 sections. You have add spells, spellbook, prepared spells. Add spells is where you would add the spells you want to add into your spellbook. So here's 3 of them. And then here, spellbook is where you would be able to prepare them. They'll be prepared for that day for you to use. This section just shows you what you already have prepared. It will also show your cantrips, even though cantrips are technically not prepared. Basically, this is where you can see what spells you could cast. On the actual character sheet itself, if you go into spells, this is where you'll be able to click the spell and cast it. Click manage spells. You got the sort of setup here. It's a little bit reversed. Spellbook here is where you would prepare spells. This again is just showing you what you have prepared as well as your cantrips, which I have selected any. And at the top here is where you would add spells. And you can filter by your spell level to just your cantrips, to learn, first level spells. So if I were to, you can see where it says like how many known. I've gone 1 too many. 6 known. You can also see where it says prepared spells, just how many you prepared for that day. So if we go into Spellbook, I can then prepare an extra spell just from there, reach the maximum, and you can then see the rest are grayed out. And then you can see that your prepared spells are now ready to use. That's it. That's how you use the Spellbook on D&D Beyond. Thank you.